Hi, I'm Manisha. I have over 15 years of experience in training, and I currently work as a learning and development consultant. I love to help others and share my experience. A recent question I received from a client is I'd like to build my training portfolio and I would like to include a quick reference guide. What kind of a quick reference guide should I include in my portfolio? What tools can I use to create a quick reference guide? Where does it go on my portfolio exactly? Well, let's first talk about what a quick reference guide or a QRG is. It's a document that provides concise overview of a particular topic in a training. It's usually 1 to 2 pages. The one that I have on my portfolio is 1 page. It includes tips for completing tasks. It can have visuals to help the learner. In fact, I highly recommend to have visuals. It's a document that is relevant and timely, and it is useful for the learner. And it's very easy to understand at a glance. You can say it's also condensed and it can have instructions on how to do something. It provides learners with a wealth of information that's quick to read and easy to digest. It will have different font sizes so the learners can easily differentiate what's a heading, what's a subheading, and what is a paragraph. There is lots of white space between the sections. It's just easier on the eyes. Now, let's get to the topic of tools and software to create your quick reference guide. As you know, there are many tools out there. I'll name a few here: Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Docs and Google Slides, Adobe Acrobat Pro, Evernote, Notion, Snagit, Pages, and the list goes on. I have used Google Docs to create my quick reference guides, and there's one that I have on my portfolio. I would recommend you go to the tool that you are most familiar with and begin from there. Create your first draft in that tool and just evaluate if that tool will work for your needs. You can always move to another tool if you need to that has more functionality. And you can always improve that quick reference guide later in the same tool or another one. Now, for the content of the quick reference guide, I want you to think about your audience, who your learners are, what information they would want to see on a quick reference guide, what would they need handy and would want to reference to quickly. What visuals can you include that will be helpful for them? What information would the learners want to access? Now, let's get to what to include in your quick reference guide. I recommend that you include just enough text to ensure that your points are clear and easy to understand. Include only the essential information and choose that important information and where it will go and how it will be placed in your guide. Choose a simple and easy to follow format and layout. Include visuals that are engaging and effective for the learner. Researchers have found that people learn better with images and text versus text by itself. Here is some information about the QRG that's currently on my portfolio. My quick reference guide has a title at the top and it's centered. And then it has 3 horizontal sections, and each section has its own title. The first section has text that is numbered and has sentences that have white spaces between them. The second section has numbered steps, and it's to the right of the steps, and it's a visual for the learners. The third section has a short paragraph. It also has an image next to it, and there are text boxes. The text boxes point to areas of the image that we want the learners to pay attention to. I have a course that I have created on what I have learned in the learning and development field and the kinds of projects I've created, including quick reference guides. If you're interested in learning more about my program, please email me at riselearningdesign@gmail.com. I have also put that in the description box. Please like and subscribe if you have found this information helpful. You've got this. Go and create some great quick reference guides that shine. See you next time.